Let's discuss cell division. First of all, we need to know the meaning of cell division. So the process by which new cells are made is known as cell division. So the question arises, why do cells divide? The reason being to grow, to replace old and damaged cells, and also to form gametes during the process of reproduction. Accordingly, there are two types of cell division. The first being mitosis and the second being meiosis. Let's talk about mitosis. So here what happens, the mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes. Thus, it helps in the growth and repair of tissues. However, when we talk about meiosis, it involves division into two different phases. The first division phase involves just the breaking of the mother cell into two identical daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes. However, the second division involves the further breaking of the daughter cells into different cells. And the different cells so formed have half number of chromosomes. For example, if I take in case of reproduction, we know that the normal chromosomes in humans is 46. So when we talk about fertilized egg, that is zygote, that zygote needs to have 46 chromosomes. So before the process of fertilization, the male gametes need to have 23 chromosomes and the female gametes also need to have 23 chromosomes. That is half the number of chromosomes, so that during the process of fertilization, the normal number of chromosomes is restored. And therefore, meiosis is the cell division that takes place during the process of reproduction.